All of the batteries, if there are batteries in any of these things, are out. Some of these things have plugs and batteries. Obviously, they're not plugged in, but make sure the batteries are out. If you're not sure, ask a grown-up, because that can still, that's not going to be good if there are batteries in something. And I've checked, but just make sure, like today's clocks and stuff. If you are really liking this and want to do it at home, make sure you check with your parent or your adult if you can actually take something apart at home before you take it apart. And one thing we're going to do today that's a little different is everyone's going to wear safety goggles, and it's non-negotiable, so that's why, but they're in cool colors, so hopefully everyone will have a good color that goes along. And then you can pick up a screwdriver too, and you can have this screwdriver to work on stuff. We'll have extra tools because some of the screws are going to be different. Sometimes the screws will be, you won't be able to get it out, so we'll try our best with that. And then I do have a little thing, and there's some pencils that hopefully, if you want to, I think it'll help understand all the different parts of the things that you're taking apart. So start with the big picture, and then hopefully we can get down into what's inside and drawing different parts. And if you have questions about stuff, there's some books on the table over there that might be able to be a good resource for what does this do, why is this set up like this, how does this work. And then I guess my one other thing that I'm going to say is some of these items are much harder than other items. So if you haven't done it before, I would start on the easier end, and if you want recommendations, Molly or myself can give you those. If people are really interested in doing some of the bigger ones and you want to work together on those, because we only have one VCR, we only have one giant boombox, so you can talk about that. And then I do have these little things for you. Please put, if you're taking apart screws and parts, put them in a case or on a plate so everything stays together in case you want to see if you can put it back together as another challenge once you're done taking it apart, but you probably need all the pieces to do that. So